many people here right now that I didn't know last year. Who the fuck are y'all? I swear it feels like the last few nights. We've been everywhere and back, but I just can't remember it all. What am I doing? What am I doing? Oh yeah, that's right, I'm doing me. I'm doing me. I'm living life right now, man. And this what I'ma do till it's over. Till it's over. But it's far from over. Yeah, that's right, I'm doing me. I'm doing me. I'm living life right now, man. And this what I'ma do till it's over. Till it's over. But it's far from over. Bottles on me, long as I'ma drink it. Never drop the ball, fuck it y'all thinking. Making sure the young money ship is never sinking. About to set it off in this bitch Jada Pinkett. I shouldn't have drove, tell me how I'm getting home. You too fine to be laying down in bed alone. I can teach you how to speak my language, Rosetta Stone. I swear this life is like the sweetest thing I've ever known. About to go Thriller, Mike Jackson on these niggas. All I need's a fucking red jacket with some zippers. Super good Snitto, a package of the swishers. I did it overnight, it couldn't happen any quicker. Y'all know them, well fucking me either. But point the biggest skeptic out, I make him a believer. It wouldn't be the first time I done it, throwing hundreds where I should be throwing ones. Bitch, I run it. I know way too many people here right now that I didn't know last year. Who the fuck are y'all? I swear it feels like the last few nights. We've been everywhere and back, but I just can't remember it all. What am I doing? What am I doing? Oh yeah, that's right, I'm doing me. I'm doing me. I'm living life right now, man. That's what I'ma do till it's over. Till it's over. But it's far from over.
Yo! Hey, take one in here. Last year on the Dyno, what you had? Twin turbo. What's about suck yourself? Like that.
Go ahead, right out, boy. Let's go.
How much pounds was that, fellas?
That was 5 pounds. We're gonna turn for 27.
All right. And it made how much on 5 pounds?
It made how much horsepower you just made? 970
on 5 pounds.
On 5 pounds of boost.
All right. Vet, how many you made on that pull, baby?
1191, man.
You happy with that?
We still got 5 more pounds, man.
Oh, man.
we gonna stop right there.
All right.
First, big up Speed Injected, BoostFilms the family, One Way Performance, H-Tuned, DJ Tuning, Boost Nations, that's the fam. Appreciate y'all. Show out was good. We did have one slip up. My cousin race car Kev broke something, but fam came through, fixed him on the lift, sent him home good. Had a 1,000 horsepower vet here. It was on and popping. It was alright. And that sums up. I thank y'all. Sticks. Yes, Speed Injected. Dyno Day once every year. I'm about to do another one in 6 months for y'all. I'll come out and support, show us love, and show y'all love.
Yeah, that's right, I'm doing me, I'm doing me. I'm living life right now, man. And this what I'ma do till it's over, but it's far from over.